Do April showers bring May flowers? They can, but you gotta plant them first. So here are my suggestions for flowers that you can start from seed in April.
I'm going to focus on flowers that are generally easy to grow from seed that can be directly sown from most growing zones this month, but as always, check your local last frost date and adjust your timing accordingly if you need to, especially if you still haven't made it past your last frost date. But even if you haven't reached your last frost date yet, you can definitely start these indoors now. First up are cosmos. Cosmos are incredibly easy, they germinate quickly, come in a range of bright colors, and attract pollinators. They love full sun and are very forgiving. Next is calendula. Calendula is another winner. It's edible, medicinal, and comes in yellows and oranges. It tolerates light frost and is fantastic for attracting beneficial insects and will reseed very easily, and if you start them now, you can enjoy them before it gets too hot. Next are zinnias. Zinnias are a must-have for any summer garden. They come in a rainbow of colors and are super easy to grow. They love heat and full sun, so if you do live in a cooler climate, I'd start these indoors, but for warmer climates, go ahead and direct sow these. Next are marigolds. Marigolds are fantastic for deterring pests and adding vibrant color. They are very adaptable and easy to start from seed, and they can reseed easily, or the seeds are very easy to collect and they add a great scent to the garden. Nasturtiums also grow great this time of year, and they can grow quickly, and they are so beautiful and come in many different color variations, and they can quickly turn into a blanket of flowers and lily pad-like leaves. They make a great trap crop, and the entire plant is edible. Plus, these will reseed easily, and each year after you plant these flowers, you'll have a better show of them. Borage is an absolute bee magnet and is also an edible flower. Borage likes warmer weather, so now is a great time to get some established. This is also a great reseeder, but be warned, the plants can get huge and can really overtake a raised bed or section of your garden, so make sure to collect the seeds before they fall if you don't want it to take over your garden or raised beds. Next are sunflowers. Who doesn't love sunflowers? Sunflowers to me are the ultimate summer flower, so make sure to start some now if you haven't already. They germinate and grow fast and make a wonderful display. And if you're looking for a different kind of sunflower, I suggest trying Tithonia, also known as Mexican torch sunflowers. These are not the same as common sunflowers in the Helianthus genus, but they are in the same family of Asteraceae. But these flowers have vibrant reddish-orange flowers, and they can grow really tall and can make a great, colorful summertime border. Amaranth is a great option to start from seed in April and can be considered a perennial that can come in different colors, and their blooms can add a unique contrast of shape and texture to your garden or floral arrangements. It also really enjoys and thrives in heat, so April is a good time to get them established. Strawflower is a fun, dried flower that can make interesting bouquets that don't need water and can last for a long time, and their color can stay on them if they aren't exposed to direct sunlight. Strawflower seeds do need light to germinate, so I would surface sow strawflower seeds, and if you're direct sowing outside, I would definitely put a clear cover or wire basket over them to protect birds from pecking at them before they germinate. Another fun dried flower that would be good to start from seed this month is Gomphrena. Similar to strawflower, they can last a long time once harvested and are great for dried bouquets and crafts, and you can even make a delicious tea with the flowers. As always, there are other flowers that you can start from seed this month. These are just my suggestions, so if you are curious about something else, look at your seed packets or just give it a try and see how it goes.